This lazy one tomato rice went so viral, 30-minute views. It actually landed me in this TikTok official cookbook. So today I have 5 new one-pot rice cooker meals for you. Of course, including a chocolate cake in rice cooker, and hot pot. Because we don't want to clean up, we are always tired, we don't want to cook, we're just a little bit lazy sometimes. Let's get the rice cooker started, you lazy people. Of course, you have to wash your rice. Put the rice in the bottom, then we lay all the ingredients on the top. I have carrots, edamame, or you can use peas. Any vegetable you like. Mushrooms and corn and sausage, or you can use Spam. My kids love that too. Here is your secret sauce, your soy sauce. If you are fancy, you have dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil. Add the water in the sauce. Then mix well. The most important thing is your one tomato. You're gonna cut across on the top. Then we put it in the middle. Pour the sauce in. Sauce water all in here. Throw everything in. Your favorite music, it's on. Well, it's done. Let's check. We're gonna mash the tomato, get that juice out, and then we mix all the vegetables, sausage together. Look at that, so juicy. Wow, it smells so good. I wish you can smell from the screen. We are serving the bowl. Ready to taste this? Oh, a little bit tomato. Oh, flavor bomb. A little bit spicy, smoky flavor. Oh, Baba, 一定要吃啊 No order in. Much healthier, you know? We have 5 dishes today. Keep watching. Want hot pot tonight? Make it one pot. So easy. Hotpot rice. The secret is use Hotpot package for seasoning. This melts right in the rice. Add the rice first. Oh, look at that. Hotpot packet in the middle. Then put the frozen hot pot, fish balls, beef balls, anything you like. Crab sticks. Whoa, look at that. Look like a hot pot already. Then we add water. Let's get cooking. Let's check our hot pot. Wow, this smells like a whole hot pot feast. Oh my God, smells spicy. And without lighting the stove. How convenient is that? Fish bowl. Right, serve on the plate. Whoa, look at this, let's try the tofu. There's so many different kind of things here. The tofu might be my favorite now. Absorbs so much flavor. Need some beer. So good. Kids can take to school for lunch tomorrow. Their friends will be jealous. Okay, next, recipe number 3. Soy chicken with veggie pot. No mess, no water. All the vegetable underneath release the juice. So first we marinate the chicken with soy sauce, cooking wine, and oyster sauce. A little bit salt, a little bit sugar to balance the taste, and sprinkle some white pepper. Also add some ginger and garlic, give a really good massage. 马杀鸡. Let's put on the side for 15 minutes. Now while chicken's marinating, I'm just getting some seasonal vegetable like a pumpkin, whatever you like. I always say whatever in Chinese, 随便. Now layering the rice cooker is important. First layer, green onions all over the bottom, so you won't burn the pot. Then second layer, pumpkin, corn, potato, and carrots. Now we put marinated chicken on the top. Don't need water, just pour all the sauce in. Cook halfway, you can open, splash some dark soy sauce on the chicken for better color. But you don't have to if you are lazy. Wow, look at that. Soft vegetable, juicy chicken. Look how much juice and soup's in here. Oh, that. Add more veggies in here. Pour over more juice. Look at that. Feels so warm for the winter. Oh. Let me try a piece of chicken. So good. I'm gonna serve this to my kids. They are starving. 吃饭啦！好吃啊！ Next one, number 4, zucchini with beef rice. This is when you are so tired, even too tired to stir fry. Let rice cooker do your wax job. After this, it's dessert with 0 effort. Yes, we cook the rice first. I have about 400 grams of rice. I use the quick setting, just cook until about 80% cooked, not totally cooked. Chop some green onions and garlic. Of course, you need some beef. Today, I'm using top sirloin. Now we marinate the beef with soy sauce, then oyster sauce. If you know me, I measure with my Chinese eyeballs. Measure some white pepper. That's enough. Cornstarch. Give it a little massage. Keep the beef tender. We don't need to cook this long. That's why rice is cooking, beef is waiting. Now check the rice. Now first layer, we add carrots. Second layer, we add zucchini. All over. Put the beef over. Spray some cooking oil or drizzle some. Now another 10 minutes. Rice is ready. Sprinkle some green onions. Then we mix. Oh, I forgot to put garlic in, so put on top of zucchini, then beef. Make sure the bottom of the rice is mixed well. If you add a garlic afterwards, I prefer chop them really small. The beef is still tender. The zucchini soft. This rice really absorbed all that flavor. Some of zucchini still a little crunchy. So good. Okay. So moving on, last one, the dessert is banana chocolate cake. I will eat for breakfast. What do you think? Look at here, simple ingredients. Some ingredients like this, nuts is optional, but I think it adds some crunchy flavor. So drop the 2 banana in, mash with anything. I have a garlic press. This can still mash banana too. You want to keep some banana chunks in there, have some texture. Then we add 2 eggs and milk, cocoa powder, cake flour, and baking powder. And we're mixing the batter very well, mixed well. Any chocolate you like, just hide them in the middle. This will be a chocolate surprise when you cut the cake. Sprinkle some nuts on the top. I have some walnuts, almonds, some raisins. I like some nuts to add some texture and crunchiness. You have to be crunchy like me. So I do this 15-minute setting. Don't burn your cake. Check with a toothpick if it's clean, that's ready. But if you like softener, just let it cook less time. Let's get this cake out. We prop this up on top of the rice cooker. So beautiful. Let's look at this. Let's cut it. Ooh, you see the middle? Chocolate coming out. Wow, like a lava cake almost. Take one piece. Look at that. Wow, so beautiful. Let's try this. The cake's so moist. I like the nuts in there. Adds more texture. Also the banana chunk. This is good. So crunchy. You see? Soft banana chocolate cake. Oh, so good. My kids will love this. I'll have my husband eat this. Look at that. Wow, you see the shiny chocolate. Look at that chocolate here. The center.
Very good. It's delicious.
So all 5 one-pot rice cooker meals. Oh, desserts. Now which one you want to try? Which one's your favorite? And I also have meal prep video coming up and school lunch. So come back every Sunday. Your Chinese mom always here for your stomach. Oh, hello. This one is for you. So good.